We will now put on the ears for the unicorn. So before putting on the ears, we want to find out where's the center point. So we use a yarn to find the center. So center point is where the middle of the body is. So it's roughly around here. And this is where we are going to draw the line. And we also draw the middle of the unicorn, which is here. So the middle line is somewhere here. Right. So when we want to place the ears, we want to follow the line or direction of the eyes, something like a triangle. So it will be somewhere around here, because this is where your triangle meets, right at the nose, and this is the best place to shoot. This is the best place to place the ears. So finding out where's the cross section over here, I'll be able to decide where the ears should be placed at. So that's about there. So I'm going to sew one ear. So after locating that position that makes the unicorn looks good, I'll put it on here and I will start to stitch up. So finding a stitch on the head, going through, then I'll go to the back of the ears and to the front. Make sure you go through both of them. And underneath through the head, just underneath the ear, go through, and then to the next stitch. And you just have to keep repeating this all the way to the end. Yep, so once it's attached, then you can just weave in the ends. Can cut it off or you can just sweep it off underneath. Okay, so one ear is stitched on.